On the big story, China's DeepSeek AI model has shaken the world of artificial intelligence. The open-source AI R1 model dethroned OpenAI's chatgpt in the Apple App Store for most number of downloads, making waves for building a model similar to chatgpt but far lesser cost. See this report.
DeepSeek. It's all what everyone is talking about. The Chinese startup is shaking up the AI universe. Its new generation of AI models are competing with the ones developed by US big tech, but at a fraction of the cost. Even the US president has taken note.
Today and over the last couple of days, I've been reading about China and some of the companies in China, one in particular, coming up with a faster method of AI and much less expensive method. And that's good, because you don't have to spend this much money. I view that as a positive, as an asset. So,
DeepSeek claims to have spent around $3.5 million to train its V3 model, delivering the same results that took Google, OpenAI, Meta and others hundreds of millions of dollars to achieve. According to Epoch AI, Google and OpenAI spent around $70 million to $100 million in 2023 to train Gemini 1.0 Ultra and GPT-4 frontier models.
This is very unusual when you hear a DeepSeek, when you hear somebody come up with something. We always have the ideas. We're always first. So I would say that's a positive. That could be very much a positive development. So instead of spending billions and billions, you'll spend less and you'll come up with, hopefully, the same solution.
Analysts are calling it a tipping point of AI economics.
This really goes to show that necessity is the mother of invention, as the old saying goes. They don't necessarily have the tens of billions of dollars that some of these companies in the US have, and they wanted to compete. They had perhaps a better algorithm, a better idea about how to train the models, and then also how to execute on it for answering people's questions. And they are using a slightly different technique, which is apparently, based on the data so far, a lot more energy efficient and efficient in terms of the chips that it might take as well. They were able to really do this on what some people would call a shoestring budget.
But there are apprehensions too. DeepSeek CEO and founder Liang Wenfeng is a billionaire who runs a hedge fund. These images of him meeting with Chinese Premier Li Qiang on 20th January have fueled concerns about the tech company's proximity with the Chinese government, putting the spotlight on data sharing. Bureau Report, India Today.